like this dash cam stuff. Enjoying the beautiful snow and how it's capping on the trees. Listening to Nahko as I travel to meet up at an appointment. It's very soothing. And yes, I'm very grateful we didn't get clobbered with 12 inches. I like the beauty, just don't like the cleanup. So I figured I'd take you on this little journey with me, just for a little bit. Take you into my world. Enjoying the beauty, breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. And I just love the messages of Nahko. I've never listened to his music. It is definitely music for the soul. This is New England, folks. This is what it looks like in March. Unpredictable, unforgiving, yet beautiful at the same time. Wouldn't trade it for the world. I do think I need a better mount for my phone, though, as this is a little, hopefully it's not too bouncy for you. Now we're getting ready to travel down the area, which at one point, I don't know if it still is labeled, but it was labeled one of the most beautiful streets in America. And that's the old historic Main Street. There goes Crow flying by. I just love how the snow delicately lays on the branches of the trees. It is just so magnificently beautiful, wouldn't you say? It's the part I do like about the snow. Love how it blankets. It insulates. It slowly nourishes. Well, we'll conclude there. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy the magic. Namaste.